So over here you can see that I am in the board view right here, and I can go ahead onto this particular board view, and then I can go ahead and mark it in progress as this project is in progress right here, and it'll show up this particular progress right here. Apart from that, if I want to actually go ahead and mark the whole card as complete, you can press the check mark button right here, and then it seems as if the tasks disappear. You can simply go around over here, mark it as complete from over here as well, and seems like it is simply disappeared. But you can actually go on to the completed task section and you see it right over here. You can go ahead and uncheck them to go ahead and bring them back as well. Apart from that, in the grid, when you go ahead and mark a task, they are simply let's say for example marked out, as you can see right here. And you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and meeting minutes is a recurring task, so it actually goes ahead and creates a copy of it right there. So this is how you can go ahead and keep track of your task by marking it complete right here. And if you just want to partially mark it in progress, then you do have the in progress option right here, and you can mark it complete from over here as well. So that is how you can keep track of your tasks inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.